The title of today's paper is, On-Site Urine Treatment Combining CaO2 Dissolution and Dehydration with Ambient Air, published in the Water Research X, in 2021. We present the results of 3 field tests and 3 laboratory tests of a new physical-chemical urine treatment system, which can recover all nutrients, while pathogens are inactivated. The system consists of 2 steps. In the first reactor, biological processes including urea hydrolysis are prevented by mixing fresh urine with calcium hydroxide, CaO2. Due to the high pH value and the high availability of calcium, phosphate can be recovered by precipitation. The high pH value also fosters the inactivation of microorganisms, including pathogens. In the second reactor, water is evaporated at low energy consumption by blowing unheated ambient air over the stabilized urine. Stabilization in the first reactor was successful in all field and laboratory tests. The pH value remained between 12 and 13, except for short dips due to shortages of CaO2. Nearly all phosphorus, 92 to 96%, precipitated and could be recovered as calcium phosphate in the first reactor, while nitrogen and potassium overflowed with the urine into the evaporation reactor. The efficiency of the second treatment step was very different for field and laboratory experiments and depended on the duration of the experiment. During a 4-day laboratory test, nitrogen recovery was 98%. In contrast, nitrogen recovery was only around 20% in the long-term field experiments. The high nitrogen losses occurred because biological urea hydrolysis was not inhibited anymore, when the pH value in the second reactor decreased due to the dissolution of high amounts of carbon dioxide from the ambient air. Potassium was not subject to any significant loss, and the measured recovery in the solid evaporation product was 98%. Evaporation rates ranged between 50 grams m/chiro h chiro RH equals hachiju nitsua jusan %, T equals junitsua roku tsu c, and 130 grams m/chiro h chiro RH equals rokuju tsua juchu %, T equals niju yon tsua go tsu c, in the 3 field tests. Apart from some disturbances due to low supply of CaO2, the urine module functioned without any substantial failures and was simple to maintain. The minimum consumption of CaO2 at full capacity was 6 grams tsu chi L chiro urine and the electricity demand was 150 watt-hours kg chiro water evaporated from urine, resulting in operational costs of 5 euro cents per chiro d chiro.